Autopilot error.
RC lost.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Oh, sorry.
So this is being controlled by the radio right now.
Okay. Elevator. Rudder.
We have opened the rudder controls right now.
Okay.
So now you can launch the, like, run the flight.
Okay.